Good morning, kids. How are you today? Good? I am also good. So today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 5. And what is the name of our chapter? Plants around us. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about plants. We see lots of plants near us. Okay, so we will learn about plants. See this. This is a plant. Have body parts, hand, nose, lips, eyes. Okay, like that plants also has parts. Okay, today we will learn about that parts. See this. This is a stem. What it is? It is stem. And under the soil means this. This is called soil. So under the soil roots are there. Okay, now these are leaves. These are leaves. And this part is called flower. What? Flower. This part is called flower. And see this. This part is called bud. B-U-D, bud. Bud means kali. And one more part is there, fruit. In this plant, fruit is not there, but some plants have fruit also. In this plant, fruit is not there, rest parts I told you. Roots, stem, leaf, flower, bud. Okay, so take out your books, EVS, and page number 57. Which page number? Page number 57. We will do reading first. Do you know that a plant also has different body parts just we do? I told you, we have body parts, same plants also have parts. Okay? The different parts of plants are roots, stem, leaves, flower and fruit. Fruit is not there in this plant, but you can see in this picture. Okay? So firstly we will come on roots. So see this picture. This is root. And where it is root? It is inside the soil. Where it is? It is inside the soil. Soil means mitti. Okay? Now start reading. Root. It is a part of the plant which grow under the ground. It is the part of a plant which grows under the ground. Means मिट्टी के नीचे grow करता है. Okay? Roots fixes the plant in the soil and absorb water. Roots fix the plant in the soil. मीन्स जो रूट्स हैं उसने इस प्लांट को इस पे स्टैंड कर रखा है, फिक्स कर रखा है. एंड एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर एंड अदर न्यूट्रिशंस फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. ओके, नाउ व्हाट रूट डू? वी आर वाटरिंग द प्लांट. तो प्लांट क्या करता है? उस वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है एंड जो मिट्टी में, इस सॉइल में जो न्यूट्रिशंस हैं उसको लेता है, जिससे प्लांट ग्रो करता है. ओके, नाउ टर्न द पेज. सेकेंड इज स्टेम. व्हाट? स्टेम. इट इज स्टेम. व्हाट इट इज? स्टेम. STEM. Stem. It is a part of the plant which grow above the ground. Above the ground means ground से ऊपर. Above the ground. It has leaves, flowers and fruit. It has, see, leaves, flowers and fruit also. Stem helps the plant to stand. Stem helps the plant to stand. The stem of trees is called trunk. What it called? Trunk. What it called? Trunk. Stem को trunk भी बोलते हैं. Okay? Now leaves. Come on, leaves. These are leaves. Leaves are usually green in color. Okay, usually green. All trees, most of trees, have you seen? Most of plants has green leaves. The leaves of different plants are different in shape and size. Okay, हर ट्री की लीव्स जो होती हैं, किसी की स्मॉल होती हैं, some have big leaves, some have small leaves. Have you seen banana tree? Banana tree has long, big leaves. Okay. They help the plants to breathe and make their food with the help of sunlight. How tree makes food? Tree makes food with the water, sunlight and air. And who help them to make food? Leaves help. Leaves help the plants to make food. That's why they are called the kitchen of the plant. Leaves are called kitchen of the plant. Flowers. Now flowers. See this flower. Okay, this is why we have lots of flowers on the trees. Please see these flowers also. Okay, most of the plants have flowers. They are the most beautiful part of a plant. Most of the plant have flower like this. This plant is also have flower. See this. Okay, they are the most beautiful part of the plant. सबसे beautiful part होता है plant का. Usually with a sweet smell. Usually with a sweet smell. If I will smell it, very nice smell is coming. And rose also. Rose also has smell. They spread their fragrance everywhere. They spread their fragrance everywhere. मतलब ये अपनी खुशबू हर तरफ फैलाते हैं. Rose, lily and marigold are some flowers that can be found around us. Okay, next fruits. Now fruits. See these fruits. Okay, flower of some plants turn into fruits. Some flowers turn into fruits. They often taste sweet when the fruit is not developed. They often taste sweet. मतलब fruits का taste कैसा होता है? Sweet. When the fruit is not developed, it is green in color and is said to be unripe. Okay, means जब fruit पूरा develop नहीं होता है, when it not grow properly, it is green in color. Okay, have you seen green bananas or green apple? It is unripe, raw. Raw means कच्चे होते हैं, raw. But when it become turn into the yellow color, it becomes ripe. तो वो पक जाते हैं. Ripe means पकना. It is green in color and said to unripe. Unripe means कच्चा. Okay. Apple, banana and mango are some common examples of fruit. Okay. Fruits have seeds within. Apple has seeds. Mango has seeds. And which fruit has seeds? Tell me. Chiku. Chiku also has seeds. Okay. What we say to chiku in English? Chiku is a Hindi word. Sapodilla. What? Sapodilla. Chiku is called sapodilla in English. Okay. Now we will do this page number 59. Take out this page number 59. See. Label the parts of the plant marked with arrows. You can take help from the box given below. From this box we can take help. And which part it is? Which part it is? Are you able to see this? Which part it is? Flower. So we will write here F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. This is leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. And this fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. This is stem, S-T-E-M, stem, and this root, R-O-O-T, root. It is the name of our school also. Okay, root. Now take out your workbooks. Page number 45. Which page number? Page number 45. We will do this matchups. Okay. First picture is leaf. What leaves do? It is green in color. Okay, we will start from here. Okay, then we will match. It helps the plant to stand. Which part helps to plant to stand? This part. What it is? Stem. So, where is the stem? Here. So, we will write here D. Next, it is green in color and helps the plant to prepare its food. Which is green in color? Leaves, and helps to prepare food. So, we will write A here. Next, it is colorful and has fragrance. Colorful, it is white flower. Okay, red rose is also there. So, colorful flower. So, we will write here B. Okay, now next, it fixes the plant in the soil. What fixes the plant into the soil? Root. What? Root. So, we will write here C. Okay, understood? Okay then, bye. Have a nice day.